At number 20, select Shark vacuums are up to 55% off. Multiple models available with versatile tools for every cleaning need. Lift-away technology lets you clean anywhere with lightweight portability.
Anti-allergen complete seal with HEPA captures over 99.9% of dust and allergens.
Advanced swivel steering gives you excellent control around obstacles.
Powerful pet hair pickup handles what your cats and dogs leave behind. Clean stairs easily without carrying the whole vacuum up each step.
Reliable quality across the lineup. Over 10,000 sold last month. Don't miss this 55% off deal. Looking for a new TV? LG, TCL, and Hisense TVs are up to 40% off. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? Meet the MaxiTalk Universal Remote Control. It works with Samsung, LG, Sony, and more, controlling up to 3 devices in one. Setup is easy, just follow the 3-step instructions and start using it in minutes. Control your TV, soundbar, and streaming player, all with one remote. MaxiTalk Universal Remote. Simplify your home entertainment. Get yours today.
At number 18, Ninja Kitchen appliances are up to 50% off. This mega kitchen system features a powerful 1500-watt motor and massive 72-ounce pitcher. Total crushing technology turns ice to snow in seconds for perfect frozen drinks. Blast through whole fruits and veggies for creamy smoothies and nutrient-rich drinks. The 8-cup food processor handles everything from chopping to dough mixing. Plus 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups for single-serve blending on the go. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Get professional power and versatility at half price. Upgrade your kitchen today.
At number 17, the Vitamix Drive Socket Kit. Metal has deep discounts. This genuine replacement part extends your blender's life with durable metal construction. Includes everything you need: the socket, Allen wrench, and installation hardware. Installation takes just minutes, perfect for DIY repair enthusiasts. Compatible with Vitamix models like the Costco 6300. Keep your blender performing like new. Don't miss these deep discounts, essential for every Vitamix owner.
At number 16, Kindle books are up to 80% off. Thousands of titles available across all genres, including John Grisham's gripping legal thriller, The Widow. This legal literary legend delivers his first whodunit, praised for its suspenseful and compelling narrative. A thrilling novel with intense plot twists, complex characters, and masterful suspense building. The digital format means instant delivery, perfect for readers, students, or anyone who loves books. At number 15, 3 months of Kindle Unlimited is just 99 cents. Access over 4 million books, magazines, and audiobooks with this amazing offer. Discover Cowboys and Chaos, where magic happens when book club members get transported into Wild West mysteries. Available in ebook, paperback, Kindle Unlimited, and audiobook formats. 2 mysteries to solve in a quaint Arizona desert town with cowboys, horses, and saloons. Twisty plot, fun characters, and creative clue solving make this a must-read for mystery lovers. Get your Kindle Unlimited deal today and start this magical adventure risk-free. At number 14, Expedia hotel and home bookings are up to 50% off for Amazon users. Massive savings on accommodations worldwide, from budget to luxury. But before you travel, meet the perfect companion for vacation rental hosts. This premium guest book features 120 pages with a special welcome message. Ample space for guests to share their thoughts, recommendations, and suggestions. Quality library binding, glossy soft cover, and crisp white paper that minimizes ink bleed. Square-shaped design, perfect for pen and pencil users. Available on Amazon with reliable shipping. Enhance your guests' experience and keep memorable records. Don't miss these amazing travel deals. At number 13, cruise fares for Disney, Norwegian, and others have discounts via Amazon Travel. Make your cruise unforgettable with these official Disney matching sailor t-shirts, featuring iconic Mickey and Minnie in adorable sailor outfits with the special 2025 design. Available in sizes for the whole family, from toddlers to plus sizes. Lightweight fabric with classic fit and double needle stitching for lasting quality. Perfect for cruise enthusiasts and families planning their dream vacation together. Get yours now on Amazon with 15% off. Make your 2025 cruise unforgettable.
At number 12, Avis Car Rentals have Amazon deals with up to 30% off, plus possible gift card rewards that reduce your travel costs. The convenience adds benefits, perfect for travelers needing rental cars. This is the inspiring story of Avis's comeback from underdog to market leader. Their We Try Harder campaign created emotional connections and changed the game forever. Discover the strategies that made Avis a trusted name in travel and business.
At number 11, we have the Amazon Prime Visa and Store Card, a game changer for smart shoppers. This card delivers incredible value with gift card sign-up bonuses and extra cash back during sale periods. The rewards program is designed to maximize your savings on every purchase. With no annual fee, special financing options, and worldwide Visa acceptance, it's perfect for frequent Amazon shoppers. Plus, enjoy easy online management and contactless payment convenience wherever you go. Ready to supercharge your shopping experience? The Amazon Prime Visa is waiting for you. At number 10, Christmas decorations and inflatables are up to 50% off. Check out this stunning 4.2-foot inflatable Santa Claus with built-in LED lighting for magical nighttime displays. He comes with a candy cane prop and gift bag, making him the perfect holiday centerpiece. Crafted with durable, weather-resistant polyester fabric for long-lasting holiday joy. Quick inflation with silent blower. Set up in minutes with included stakes and tethers. Perfect for gardens, lawns, patios, and living rooms. Bring holiday magic to your home. Don't miss out. Up to 50% off Christmas decorations and inflatables.
At number 9, the Echo Dot Max is expected to be up to 50% off. This compact smart speaker fits anywhere with impressive improved sound quality, with rich room-filling sound and deep bass powered by the AZE-3 chip. Perfect for smart home beginners or expanding existing setups. Privacy is a priority with microphone disable buttons and multiple controls. Experience the future of smart home audio with Alexa Plus Early Access, our smartest, most proactive AI assistant yet. Don't miss this amazing deal.
At number 8, the Fire HD8 tablet is part of Amazon's device deals. The compact 8-inch size makes it highly portable for on-the-go use. With a 30% faster processor and 3GB RAM, performance is solid for basic tasks. Enjoy wireless charging and up to 13 hours of battery life. Perfect for kids, readers, or anyone wanting an affordable tablet solution. Access popular apps and enjoy your favorite entertainment anywhere. The Fire HD8 delivers great value with its sharp display and durable design. At number 7, the Kindle Paperwhite is included in device deals. The glare-free display reads like real paper, with adjustable warm light perfect for night reading. No glare, no distractions, just pure reading, even in bright sunlight. Our fastest Kindle ever. 25% faster page turns mean less waiting, more reading.
With up to 12 weeks of battery life, your stories never have to end.
Instant access to over 15 million books. Your next adventure is just a tap away. Perfect for bookworms, travelers, or anyone who reads regularly. The Kindle Paperwhite, your portable library, always with you. At number 6, Blink Mini and outdoor cameras are on sale. The wireless design means easy installation anywhere around your home. Cloud storage keeps your footage accessible from anywhere on your phone. 1080p HD live view with infrared night vision covers every angle day and night. Dual zone enhanced motion detection gets you alerts faster when it matters most. Works seamlessly with Alexa for hands-free voice control. Perfect for home security on a budget with 2-year battery life included.
At number 5, select Beats headphones are up to 50% off. Check out these amazing Beats Studio Buds Plus. Experience powerful active noise canceling with up to 1.6 times more ANC power than previous models. Transparency mode lets you stay connected to your surroundings with up to 2 times improved clarity. Spatial audio delivers immersive listening with that signature Beats sound. And powerful bass. Get up to 9 hours of listening time per charge and 36 hours total with the compact charging case. true wireless design, compatible with multiple devices, perfect for music lovers and iPhone users. Don't miss this 50% off deal.
At number 4, Samsung and Google hardware are up to 35% off on select items. But today we're focusing on a must-have accessory for Samsung owners. Introducing the complete screw replacement kit designed specifically for all Samsung Galaxy models. Whether you have an S24 Ultra, A54, or any other Galaxy model, this kit has you covered. Made from premium materials with high precision and durability. Includes all necessary screw sizes, perfect for replacing damaged or missing screws during repairs. Prevents damage to your phone's delicate components. Comes with precision screwdrivers for easy installation. No professional help needed. Get your complete Samsung screw replacement kit today and tackle those repairs with confidence.
At number 3, Signature Design by Ashley Furniture has deals. Quality furniture at discounted prices that blend rustic charm with modern functionality. Features a cushioned linen seat with beautiful nail head trim detail, complete with 360-degree swivel for ultimate convenience and comfort. Sturdy mixed material construction with metal and wood elements for lasting quality. Easy assembly with included instructions and tools. Multiple styles available for different tastes. Perfect for any home update project. Don't miss these amazing deals from Signature Design by Ashley.
At number 2, the aluminum wall-mounted Anchor fitness system is on sale.
This space-saving design mounts to any wall, perfect for home gyms or fitness enthusiasts.
With 70 customizable locking positions, it adapts to any fitness level and exercise.
Crafted from aircraft aluminum, it supports up to 300 lbs of resistance.
Customers love its sturdy construction and easy installation.
Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Transform your home gym today.
Tired of waiting forever for your hair to dry? Me too. Meet the Life in Swift, your new morning game changer. Powered by a 110,000 RPM motor, dries hair in minutes, not hours. Quiet enough for mornings, powerful enough for any hair type. 200 million negative ions leave your hair smoother and shinier than ever. Lightweight design, take it anywhere. Plus, it makes the perfect gift. Big discounts mean upgrading your self-care has never been easier.